the final piece here. So first we have the Feed Me Whack Asshole. I don't know if I'm allowed to say it on YouTube, but it's so cute and it's based off my cat. She's right there. And the reason why I wanted it to say that, because she likes to eat my food when I give her her own food. For the second one is my Shiba design. It's so cute. And my Shiba Inu's name is Chonky. This is Chonky the Shiba, and this is Figaro the cat. So I made these original characters. They do have their own personalities and like this whole thing. Okay, so I just arrived at the post office and I'm about to drop off stuff. I had to reopen them because I realized I forgot to put the pictures in, but they look so cute so that when they receive it, they won't think it's like a water bill or something.